Spencer J. Fox.
Spencer J. Fox,
Traveling Detective.
Traveling Detective,
Is now traveling to...
Mommy? Yes. No, listen to me. No, listen. I have a great trip that we can go to. Yes, to Pennsylvania. Yeah. I'm going to have Spencer take a look at it. I think you're going to really like it. Yes. I know. Okay. But don't worry about it. Anyway, I can't talk to you right now. I think Spencer's coming. Okay? No. I'm going to have Spencer check it out. Mommy?
Miss Latz, hey, it's great seeing you again. How you doing? Yeah, I know. It's really, really hot out there. Are you able to hold up? Great. Listen, what is going on? What's going on with Murray? Is he going crazy? What? Oh, he has another assignment for me. Well, at least I hope that man Zelda can go on there. She can? Really? Okay, well, Miss Watson, I gotta get going, okay? I need to go see Murray. But as usual, it's great seeing you again, alright? Talk to you later.
No! I told you, Spencer's gonna check it out, okay? Yeah, you're gonna love the trip. No, you're gonna go out there and look at it. Okay, listen, I gotta go, okay? Okay, I gotta go. No, I gotta go. Okay, I love you. I love you, Mommy. I love you. Okay, I'll talk to you later. I love you. Okay? Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.
Murray, is this the outfit of the day? You look like a miscolored mannequin.
What? You don't like my outfit? It's another summer outfit. I love my summer outfits. The shirt, the beads, the hat, What don't you like about it? It's that outfit. Anyway, come on. Sit down. I gotta tell you of another place you need to go to. I think you'll like it.
Okay. What is it? And where is it?
Okay, Spencer. This is your next assignment. You're going to go to the state of Pennsylvania. You go to the city of Harrisburg, and you're going to go to the Pennsylvania State Capitol. I hear it's really, really beautiful. I know Mommy would love to see it. And then you're going to drive to the city of Allentown and go to the Allentown Art Musuem. I hear they have a lot of fantastic artwork there. I know this Mommy would love it.
Well, it sounds great, Murray, but it's going to take about a week and a half to go through all that.
Well, Spencer, you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? But when you get there, make sure you take lots of pics and lots of videos so Mommy can see where to go. I know she loves a lot of historic landmarks and lots of artwork.
Okay, Murray, I'll be back in about 9 or 10 days, all right? See you later.
Okay, Mommy, yes. Spencer's gonna come here. Yes, he's taking a lot of pictures and videos. I know. Yes, it took almost a week and a half to go there. He had to go 2 different places. I know. Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. He'll show you all the pictures and videos. I'll bring them to you, okay? Yes, but I think he's coming here, so let me talk to Spencer. Listen what he's got, okay? Okay? Alright, I'll talk to you later. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Okay? Bye. Spencer, come in. What do you have for me?
Murray, I gotta tell you, I went straight to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and straight to the State Capitol. I want to tell you, it is well worth the trip, okay? They put a lot of money to decorating this place. Now, where the Pennsylvania State Assembly meets, in the Senate room, is absolutely incredible. They line it all with gold there, and crystal chandeliers, and best of all, they have these fantastic stained glass windows.
Wow, really? That sounds great. I'm sure Mommy will love it. But now, tell me about Allentown, the Allentown Art Musuem.
Oh, it's a great little museum. Oh yeah, it has a lot of great traditional artwork and has a lot of different types of modern artwork. You know, I think Aunt Zelda would really like it.
Good work, Spencer. That's fantastic. Now, show me all the videos and pictures you have taken.
Okay, Marie, let me show them to you, okay? And then you can show them to Aunt Zelda. I'm sure she's really gonna love them.
Murray, here's the front of the State Capitol. It has a fantastic waterfall. Wow, Spencer, I like that. It's a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Okay, Murray, let's go inside. Okay, Murray, here's the inside corridor in the Capitol, and they have wonderful tours. Wow, that's great, Spencer. Mommy loves tours. Murray, as you can see, the State Capitol has rooms full of beautiful lighting and murals. But here in the assembly room has the crystal chandeliers, all the gold trim, and stained glass windows. Wow, that is great, Spencer. It's gorgeous. Wow. You know, Mommy just loves stained glass windows. Okay, Murray. Now let me show you the Allentown Art Museum. It has a lot of different types of art there, classic and modern art. Oh, Spencer, that is great. Show me all the art. I know Mommy loves to see lots of different types of art.
Hi, I'm Spencer J. Fox. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Now, if you have a few moments and a few minutes, go to my cyber mall. The Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall. It has lots of different types of things to buy there, lots of different departments and different stores. You really can't find on the internet very much. Very unusual stores. It has stores for different types of clothing for women and men, perfume, shoes, even different restaurants and food. Also, you get discounts on airline tickets and also to resorts. So go on the page that I have. Here's the URL. Go on there. Has a drop-down menu, has a categories of different stores that go on there. So go ahead, take a look. Go shopping at the Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall.